station again, of course, but this time come home to a few presents. So let's see what we got. That one right here. Cannot stand this Houston weather, man. Washed my car last night because it said it wasn't going to rain. Of course, first thing happens when I get on the road is going to start showering. I'm like, come on. By the time I get home, what you hear now, pouring down today. It is what it is. Oh, let's see what we got. What's up, man? What's up? You ready for school? All right. Okay. All right, here we have the wicker bill. Got the 2-piece. So you know, it comes with that. Let's prove it. Yeah, he's fine. Oh yeah. This is it right here, baby. So, you know, you guys got a video coming soon, how to put this together. Oh yeah. Should be pretty simple. A few screws. I'll actually link where I got, I'll actually link for you guys where I got my wicker bill from. No, it's not the wicker bill. Oh, no, okay. So, I was wondering why there was no acrylic. So actually, guys, this is gonna be that front lip. And so front lip coming soon. That's all video, of course. Get y'all going on that one. Should come out looking pretty good. Pretty simple task. Because I'm going to be removing the bumper anyway, because what I'm really excited about opening up, which gives it a whole class of its own when it comes to cars, in my opinion. Let's go see if I can find that bad. Oh, there. Right there. Mama, hook me up. To Mama? Yeah, Mama. Duh, not my mommy. Actually, I don't know what this is. I think this, oh yeah, okay. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. Cause you need a new bike, man. Bike toes. You need a new bike. I'll tell you later. Yes, sir. Everybody knows what these are. So I got the whole kit for the lights, the halos, fog lights, and the diodes for the RGBs. Did I ask for it? Okay. It's the only way to do it. Change the colors a lot better. Output cables. Bam. Wires. Yes, sir. Fog lights, halos, wires, wires, wires. Hold on. Hey, hold on. See Daddy doing something. Wait. All right, guys. So that's gonna be it for right now. Gotta get these little ones to school, get them ready, get them out. So definitely you can see that, you know, I'm gonna be flooding you guys with some videos. So when I take off the bumper, install the front lip, it's easy money right there. And so I'm actually still waiting on my wicker bill. I'm gonna check on that today because it's supposed to be here. So we'll be checking on the wicker bill. And thank you guys for tuning in. Just stay tuned. Got some more stuff coming on, and I can't wait to see the finished product with at least the front bumper, the splitter, and the lights in there. That's gonna complete my vision at least about 90%. So, oh, probably not 90%. Still got some performance stuff wide, but stay tuned. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. And appreciate you guys watching.